We'll start this update back in mid-April, while Bar were still busy clearing the base of the site. And iron shoring were reinforcing the sides. As May began, so did the operation to drill to insert geothermal systems 650 feet down into the ground. In total, more than 22 kilometers of 1.25-inch tubing like this will be inserted. As the month drew to a close, it was time to pour the pad for the tower crane to come. With a foundation laid, it was time for a crane to lift in formwork, rebar, and the base of the tower as the next step. With everything in place and a skilled team waiting, it was time for the concrete to arrive. The pour went very well, and the pumper was washing up and preparing to depart just after 1 p.m. The geothermal work is going to take a little longer, and we'll be back periodically to see how things are going.